Okay, so we see that the market is doing everything it can to maintain its bullish bias, and many stocks are reacting as well, which may open up space for some interesting opportunities in the next few days. But this is the last chance for the market to react, as we see the main indices and stocks trading near their inflection points. So let's see what's going on over here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader. It is a pleasure to see you guys over here, and I invite you to join the 5% project for advanced trading signals and strategies so you can boost your performance using our technical methodology, which has shown excellent results so far. So just take a look at our website. The QR code is right here in the left corner of your screen and the fixed comment below. Now, as we can see here, SPY is making a decent bullish reaction. It is stabilizing. I know it is technically speaking, it is dropping today minus 0.08% the moment I'm recording this video, but it is trying to stabilize above the double support level we have been monitoring very closely here in this channel, the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, and the $524, this blue line over here, which is very close. It is precisely at the 21 EMA right here, right now, making this a quite reliable support area. In addition to all of this, SPY is still inside this ascending channel, and we are trading near the bottom line of this channel. So it feels like it is now or never for SPY. By making a bullish reaction above this support area near the bottom line of this channel, SPY will have decent chances of recovering and possibly breaking the pivot point, triggering this bullish pivot point by breaking the $533. So renewing its all-time high. So right now it is the last chance for it to react. If we don't, Nathan, what if we don't? What if we lose this support area? What if we lose this ascending channel's support level? Then, well, the next technical support level is at $497, roughly around the $500 area. So yes, we're gonna see a sharper correction. We are gonna see a possible sharper correction if we lose this dual support level. So this is why it is extremely important for SPY to react as soon as possible above this area. Otherwise, the situation will get very dangerous. In addition to this, we see the QQQ making a similar movement. This double support level is acting as a reliable support level for us. It was the previous all-time high, the previous triple top level over here on QQQ, and right now we are reacting right above this support area, following the principle of polarity in technical analysis. What's more, this is even more curious because the Dow Jones Index is clearly bearish right now. We lost the 21 EMA on the daily chart. We lost the previous support level over here, and right now, as far as I know, we are on the verge of making a lower high, lower low, all right, by triggering this bearish pivot point. However, if we make a bullish reaction strong enough for it to break and close above the 21 EMA on the daily chart again, I believe all the three indices will have a decent bullish signal materialized, and then we're gonna see a possible systemic recovery on the broad market, and this is gonna affect our dear stocks very nicely because, as far as I know, Tesla is inside this congestion, all right? We gotta break the 186.88 in order to materialize a bullish pivot point. Conversely, if we break the $167.75, we are gonna lose this support level, triggering a bearish pivot point. So we see two possibilities over here, a bullish pivot point and a bearish pivot point. It all depends on which one of these lines Tesla is gonna break first. All right, by breaking the 186.88, great. bullish reversal structure, we are gonna actually reverse the long-term bearish bias over here by breaking and closing above the 21 EMA on the weekly chart. Because, guys, as long as Tesla doesn't materialize a very good bullish candlestick pattern breaking this 21 EMA on the weekly chart, we are not gonna turn really bullish. We're gonna remain very weak. The bias will remain very bearish on the weekly chart, and the Tesla will sustain this weakness over here on the daily chart as well, possibly by losing the 167. If Tesla loses the 167, I do believe that we're gonna seek our next support levels like the 157 or even closing this gap over here at 147. There are a lot of sevens, right? I mean, 147, 157, 167, and almost 187 over here, 186.88. So it feels like these are our most important. Oh, and what's more, there is an open gap over here at 206.77. So there are a lots of sevens over here, but guys, we gotta see the breakout of one of these key points first in order to believe that, all right, now Tesla is doing something new, Tesla is doing something interesting. It doesn't matter if we see an upwards or a downwards breakout, I do believe that the next movement will be quite intense. Now, Nvidia This one is crazy, right? Because Nvidia is making a new record high today. It is stabilizing around the all-time high. It is trying to make a doji candlestick pattern over here, which is not necessarily an insanely amazing bullish signal, but at least it is not making any crystal clear top signal around this area yet. Now, if you ask me, it is very important for Nvidia to maintain its bias and breaking and closing above the previous all-time high at 1158, because by doing so, Nvidia will trigger another bullish pivot point. Because if Nvidia makes a top signal around this area, well, the market may see this as a possible double top chart pattern, right? So it is very important to see Nvidia reacting, breaking and closing above the previous all-time high so it can trigger another bullish pivot point. Meanwhile, we see many stocks among the Magnificent Seven making interesting bullish reactions, like Microsoft over here, which made a hammer candlestick pattern last week. This hammer wasn't rejected yet, but it wasn't triggered yet as well. So it is curious, it is important to see this reaction over here. We see Apple going up, it is seeking the all-time high area over here at 198 near the $200 area. There is no top signal materialized over here. We see Amazon trying to make a bottom signal, but in my humble opinion, we gotta break and close above the 21 EMA on the daily chart first. If we look at the 1 hour chart, we see that Amazon already triggered a bullish pivot point. So it already materialized a short-term reversal, which could bring a mid-term reversal as well if we break our most important resistance level at the 21 EMA. Google right around the 21 EMA on the daily chart. It is stabilizing around this area. It could trigger a bottom signal over here, and if it does, it is gonna just continue the previous bullish bias over here. Meta is on the verge of breaking the $482 over here. It is inside a congestion just like Tesla. Meta and Tesla are quite similar over here. By breaking this resistance level, Meta will officially reverse the short-term congestion over here, this bearish bias seen since April, and we are gonna turn bullish again. So these are the most important key points for us to watch on our stocks for now. And if you want to keep in touch with my ideas, well, just subscribe to this channel and click the like button to support me as well. I'm here every single day talking about the market, talking about many stocks. So just join the Finance Hydra channel and join the 5% project for more signals and premium analysis on our stocks. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.